Hey y'all, welcome back. So I'm really excited about today's video. Today we're going to be diving into my colored Raine mystery box. So Color Raine is a black owned makeup brand whom I personally love, and so basically they were advertising this mystery box. The mystery box retailed for $35 and it was $150 value. And when I was reading the things it comes with, I'm like, whoa, like it comes with a lot of good stuff. And I've been wanting to try some more stuff from Color Raine, so I thought this would be the perfect time. So I went ahead and placed an order for the mystery box. I want to tell you the total with tax and shipping and all that. So the mystery box was $35, my shipping was $5.95, and the tax was $2.54. So my total was $43.49, which I still think was an amazing deal for all of the contents I got in. I originally planned this video out to be like me opening up the box on camera. You guys get in like my first reaction and all that kind of stuff, but I'm a child and I couldn't wait. I got this yesterday and I opened it yesterday because I'm a child and I couldn't wait. So I did already open it, but I didn't swatch anything or anything like that. We're gonna do that on camera. Here is the box right here with all of the contents inside. So first I'm gonna start off with the accessory that my box came with. So you do get an accessory with your order. It came with this really cool like makeup pouch. I think this is really cool. Obviously it has Colored Raine there. The inside is like suede and all that. If you just want it specifically to put makeup in, it's very big, so it will hold a lot. So getting into the content of the actual box, as you can see, we have a lot of stuff here. So first thing that I see is a single eyeshadow, and it looks like this. So I'm so excited because you guys know I am currently building my single eyeshadow collection, but this shade is called Brick, and this just looks to be a dark plummy color, which is, you know, a great addition to my collection, and I'm very happy with the color, no complaints. So I got this. So the next thing in here that I see is some eyelashes. So this is the Colored Raine Sexy Eyelash. I do not wear fake eyelashes. I just do not like how they look on me, and I just don't know how to put them on. But besides that, I don't really like how they look on me. I feel like my eyes are too hooded and the eyelashes just kind of take over my whole eye and they just don't really look good. So I will be giving these to my little sister, and I know she will appreciate them so much. And here is how the eyelashes look. Like I said, I'm not an eyelash girl, so I can't really, you know, tell you if these are like popping or not. I don't wear eyelashes, but I'm gonna give these to my little sister. She'll really enjoy these. She loves eyelashes. So I got not one, not two, but 3 of their liquid lipsticks, which I'm actually really excited about because their liquid lipstick is what I hear like very good things about. And these are called their matte lip paint, and this is in the shade Bodacious. The packaging of this is so fire, like so freaking cute. So Bodacious is this really pretty lilac-y color. I love the packaging of these products. Like, it's so freaking cute, Color Raine. Like, this is dope. So yeah, this is a really pretty lilac-y color. Now I don't really wear colors like this, but I think it's really fun to like play around with it. Plus I really want to get back into like my photo shoots, so I do want to, you know, use this in different photo shoots that I do with myself and things like that. You guys know that I'm over matte liquid lipsticks, but I am very excited to try out Color Raine's formula. I probably will never wear it in real life, but you know, it might look cute in a couple of pics. So the next shade is in the shade Royal. So Royal is gonna be like this really pretty blue. Once again, probably would never wear it in real life, but I am gonna keep it because like I said, I think it will be cute in like different photo shoots. So I think it looks very pretty. Once again, the packaging is stunning. If you're bold like that, then you'll probably really enjoy this, but I'm pretty much gonna keep the lilac shade and the blue shade for like photo shoots, certain kind of looks that I'm going for and things like that. And then my last liquid lipstick is actually a more wearable one that I'm really excited about. This one is in the shade Spiked Punch. Hopefully the formula is not too drying because I cannot do liquid matte lips that are like drying. So we got 3 of those matte liquid, what is it, matte lip paints from Color Raine. And we also got 3 traditional lipsticks. So I was very excited that they included traditional lipsticks because I like am back in love with traditional lipsticks. So we have 3 here and I'm super excited. The first shade here I have is Whipped. Packaging once again is stunning, like very classic, just amazing. So this color is right up my alley. If you've been here a while, you know these are the kind of colors I gravitate toward. So this looks kind of like a terracotta nude color. It looks really pretty. So This is the shade I think that I will be wearing a lot once I swatch it and try it on. Looks really, really, really pretty. So the next shade is called Socialite. Now this is the shade I believe that is like way too light, that I'll probably just use like on the center of my lip. So this is how Socialite looks. So as you can see, it is a very peachy nude color that is like way too light for me. I would look crazy wearing this on its own, but I think this will look amazing, like right in the center of my lips on top of other lipsticks and things like that. Then the last traditional lipstick is in the shade Cameo, and I think Cameo is my favorite out of all of the traditional lipsticks. And Cameo looks like this, and this is like, I feel like gonna be my favorite. Cannot wait to put this on. Hopefully it's as pretty on as it looks inside. So next we also have a highlighter, which I was so excited about. I love Color Raine's highlighter. I have one already by them, so I'm so excited that this baby is joining the fam. And this is their Focal Point Glow Lighters, and this is in the shade Cutie Pie. Once again, the packaging is just so stunning, okay? And it's like this really pretty pale pink color. So this is really cool because I actually own like no single highlighter that is pink like this. This is a color that I did want to add to my collection to have. So this is really, really pretty, and hopefully it looks pretty on my skin, you know? And lastly, we got an eyeshadow palette. And I was so excited when I saw this eyeshadow palette because this is the eyeshadow palette that I wanted them to include. And this is the Color Raine Berry Cute palette. Packaging is so amazing. I love how small and compact this is. It has a small mirror as well. And then these are the shades that comes in it. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. So like I said, this is the color story that I really gravitated toward out of all these smaller palettes. I wanted this one, and I'm so glad I got this one. It comes with 6 shadows, as you can see. Very, very, very stunning. I already have a Color Raine palette, so I know that their quality is gonna be amazing. And as you can see, I have not swatched it. I waited to swatch it today, and I'm dying to do so. And I also like how these are kind of like categorized. I feel like every 2 shades that they have next to each other is like its own separate look. So you get 3 matte shades and 3 shimmer and or metallic shades. I just love this. I wanted this one. Thank you, Color Raine. So you got 10 makeup items and then 1 accessory item. I am so happy with this box. I think Color Raine put this box together magically. I think literally everything in here is so good. You know, sometimes you get mystery boxes and like half of the stuff is like okay, and then you maybe have like 1 or 2 items that you actually like love. I think Color Raine did an amazing job with picking different items that their customers would love. Even like the bold colors that I know I wouldn't wear on every day, I still love them because like I said, I think it will be very useful in like photo shoots and things like that, or very specific looks that I'm going for. I think this is an amazing deal. $35. I think that is amazing for all of these products that you get. So if you're someone who has never tried Color Raine and you always wanted to, I feel like this is a great lead way to trying their brand, because you get so many different products that you could try out from their brand. And if you're just someone who loves Color Raine already like I do, I feel like this is a great deal. Definitely take advantage of it. That is my Color Raine mystery box. I'm definitely in love with every single item that I have, and that's it. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a like if you did. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not, and I will see you guys in my next one. Okay.